Welcome back, educators, to the third and final module for this professional development on Google Classroom. Our objectives for this module include educators will review and reflect their adaptations to Google Classroom. Educators will review success and feedback of using Google Classroom. Educators will perform an evaluation of strengths, weaknesses, and success or failure of the implementation of Google Classroom. In the next few days, you'll be receiving an email from me that has a link to a post-assessment asking more questions about how I can improve this professional development for the next time. Objectives 1 and 2, you will be completing on-site at your school with your evaluator, your technology people, your administration. I'm going to go ahead and click on this link so that you can have an idea of what it is to expect when you receive this email from me. The questions for this post-assessment cover: did you find Google Classroom easy to access? Did you find the process of inviting students into your classroom easy or difficult? Were you able to access all the tabs within Google Classroom? Were you able to access and post to the announcements page? Were you able to post resources to the announcements page? Were you able to post assignments through Google Classroom? And did you find Google Classroom easy to use in helping you manage student work? The follow-up question to all of these also includes, if you had difficulties or issues, what were they? Please share them with me. And did you receive any kind of help to help you solve these issues? Also listed at the bottom of the page, it asks to please take the time to add any additional comments, complaints, or suggestions about the professional development that you received in implementing Google Classroom. I'd like to take all of this into consideration when putting together the next training sessions. Thank you very much for your time in taking this professional development. Best of luck to you for the rest of the school year.